Hello, David Brooks here. I'm just having my lunch and I'm trying the Chicken Vindaloo from Aldi, which I think only cost £2.49, so I thought it was rather good. I do like a nice hot spicy curry. So we'll see how it goes. Nice job. Get a knife. There we go, that's that done. Stick it in the microwave for how long? 3.5 minutes, stir, and then 3 more minutes. There we go, 3.5 minutes. Just put that on pause for a second. Okay, and it's done its first attempt. Just get a spoon. Smells already rather nice. There's the rice. It's got some sort of clovey thing in there. Just give the rice a stir. It says if you do it from frozen, you need to add some water to the rice, but I'm not going to do that because I did mine from chilled. Give it a nice stir. Not to drop too much of it on the table, which I nearly always do. Whenever I do a ready meal, there's rice everywhere. Right. Give the vindaloo itself a nice little stir as well. Seems to be quite big chunks, not too many of them, but quite big, and the sauce looks quite red, which I always think is a good sign of a vindaloo. I like a vindaloo. I don't like the really crazy hot ones. In a couple of minutes. What was it again? 3 minutes. There we go. I'm going to put that on pause again. Right, read that if you like. All the ingredients in there, nutritional details, made from Aldi. There's the traffic lights, so 3 chili heat, and there we go. Put that over there. Right, seems we're done. Time to dish. That is rather warm, which is what you want. And there we go. Try not to get too much rice everywhere. I'll take that little clove out. As it's pilau rice, it has a little bit of onion in it, I believe. And you might get a clove or possibly a cardamom pod, which I love. I love cardamom pods. And there's another clove, piece of a clove there, so I'll take that out. But it smells lovely. Another bit of a clove there. It varies how many of the cloves and things you get on these kind of curries. Bay leaves you get sometimes, all kinds of stuff. Anyway, that's that. Now we stick the curry in. Oh, lovely. Just like dog food. Only better. I've tried it, I know. When I was a kid, I had some dog food to see what it was like. And at the time, I thought it was quite nice. Don't know what I think now, I haven't tried it for a while. There we go. Looks like a normal curry, doesn't it? So I'm going to try that now. On a spoon. Oh yeah. That is very nice. Very nice indeed. Very good spice to it. Yeah. Now I'm going to go in the sitting room and finish this off. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you like the video, that would be nice. If you give me a thumbs up or subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.